So ring circuit wiring system. There have a step by step 3 and 4 points. I will writing in there. In ring circuit is a Gulf standard power socket outlet wiring system. It is the Gulf standard power socket outlet system. Maximum Gulf, Dubai, Qatar, Saudi, Malaysia using in ring circuit. Why we using in ring circuit? We can be using in ring circuit for load balance. Load balance. So if we are making the ring circuit, load is equally going in all socket and voltage also equally going in same condition. Okay. So this in this region we can using in ring circuit. So in ring circuit 6 wire, 2 phase, 2 neutral and 2 earth wire is coming there. This means 2 phase wire is coming there. 2 phase means suppose your circuit is R1. This means red phase 2 wire is coming there and neutral 2 and earthing 2. Total 6 wire is coming. If your phase is yellow, Y1, this means 2 wires of yellow phase is coming. If blue, same like that, 2 wires is coming in phase, blue wire. Okay, so not in different color. You can using in one circuit same color code wire, red and yellow, not using in one circuit. R1 means if your R1 is ring circuit, you can using in red wire too. Okay, so this is the system of wiring. And next one, wiring system, 3 wire coming from DB means 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earth is going to first power socket point. Okay, so DB2 coming 6 wire. I already second point we are discussing about this one. And this among this 6 wire, 3 wire is going to first point. 3 wire means 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earth. This is going to first point of the power socket. And balance 3, 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earth. Balance 3 is going to last point of the power socket. So first point 3 wire going in DB to main incoming and 3 wire last point going. This means how many point is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that point is coming. Okay, so this means equal power is running inside the wire, and after between the first point and last point make the looping system in 3 wire, 3 wire, 3 wire. So in ring circuit each point have coming 6 wire. Each point, every point is coming 6 wire. So if any point coming 3 wire, your ring circuit is not correct. Each point we should be need 6 wire. This means 2 same color code, 2 phase wire and neutral 2 wire and earthing 2 wire. Each point. Okay, and first and last power socket point to make the loop wiring each other. So we can make the loop wiring in each other between the other points also there. First and last point. Number 1, number 2, number 3. How many points is there? Power socket is number. Actually, this is one ring circuit inside coming 6. Allowed to 6 power socket. One ring circuit inside allowed to 6 point of power socket. So number 1 3 wire is going and last number 6 3 wire is going. This means between the first and last we can make the looping system. Okay, so 2 phase you cannot confuse about the 2 phase. Okay, 2 phase means same color code 2 phase wire. R1 means red two phase, Y1 means yellow two phase, and B1 means blue two phase. You can clear about this one, okay? And other wiring system is this. So DB2 always coming in 6 wire in ring circuit, but in normal wiring only DB2 3 wire is coming, phase, neutral and earth, normal wiring. But if you make the ring circuit wiring, that time coming in 6 wire. Clear about this one. So what is the difference between ring circuit and normal circuit? That time you can told ring circuit especially using for power socket outlet wiring system. Okay, power socket outlet wiring system only using in ring circuit. And lighting, water heater, AC we can using in normal wiring system. In normal wiring system only 3 wire is coming there, 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earth. But in ring circuit 6 wire is coming there, 2 same color code phase, 2 neutral and 2 earth. This is the difference between this one. So ring circuit especially using in 4 mm square wire in power socket. This is using in only for power socket wiring system, power socket outlet wiring system. So this kind of wiring we can using in 4 mm square wire. And maximum in power socket we can using also ELCB or RCCB breakers. ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, or resistor current circuit breaker, RCCB. We can using in these two types, not using in normal MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Okay, so lighting we can using in MCB, and AC we can using in MCB. Water heater we can using in ELCB, because water heater we can fit in inside the bathroom or inside the kitchen. If there is leakage chances, the leakage of water, so any problem, any shock is hazard, ELCB 30 millisecond trip. So we can using in ELCB in this kind of wiring. Okay, so here in power socket we can using in ELCB and using 4 mm square wire, and especially ring circuit is using for power socket wiring. You can clear about this one, ring circuit. Ring circuit means 6 wire is coming. If somebody told you to what is ring circuit, that time you can tell ring circuit is the Gulf standard wiring system. This inside have DB2 direct coming in 6 wire, 2 same color code phase, 2 neutral and 2 earth, and 3 wire going to first point and 3 wire going to last point in main incoming wire, and between the first and last make the loop, and each point have need to 6 wire. Each point is coming 6 wire. So this is the ring circuit. I hope all of you are clear about this one. So I will show you diagram of ring circuit. This is the diagram of ring circuit wiring system. This is DB1. DB1 means distribution board 1, and circuit number R5, red 5. So 2 phase, I am told 2 phase, not 1 red, 1 yellow. You see all two have the, there is 1 red and here is 1 red. Okay, two wire is running. This is your first point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 point is there. So maximum we can using in 6 to more not allowed in power circuit. Maximum 3 also have, 4 also have, as per requirement. But if 6 to more, if 7 we are make the two circuit, not in one circuit. Another is coming R6. So This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see this is the maximum. This two more no allowed in one circuit. Okay. So here to 6 wire. This is your DB. And circuit number R5. R5 means red circuit number 5. In drawing knowledge, we can clear about this one. So they are two going in two red wire. This is one red wire and another this is one red wire and another two neutral wire and two earthing wire. So how to divide it in this wire? Total 6 wire. DB to 6 wire. 3 wire is going to first point. This is main incoming. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 wire is going to inside the first point and 3 wire going to last point of the power socket. This is first point, this is last point. Between the first point and last point, make the looping in 3 wire. You see, there is 3 wire, 3 wire, 3 wire, 3 wire. So all are make the looping. Give the loop for all. So in each socket, how many wire is coming? Total 6 wire. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Total 6 here. Here also 6. 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 This means this is the correct ring circuit. If here is only 3 wire coming, any socket is only 3 wires coming, this means this is not correct ring circuit wiring. Each point we need to 6 wire. And 6 wire means you cannot put in DB to direct going 6 wire in first point. You can divide this wire. Why we can divide this one? Because this one is divided. Suppose you this 3 using this 3 is using it. There is using iron. There is using water pump, and there is using something another. If 6 wire is together giving, all this have load, and there is if DB to direct 6 wire is give there, that means only load is there and voltage is there. After they have no more volt. So we can divide it, the voltage in direct through DB. 3 wire is giving there, 3 wire is giving this side. This means balance of the load. Here to also running the voltage and here to also running the voltage. So this middle part means center. So not issue of any one socket. All have the equal power is running. Each have. So we can using in total 6 wire, no problem of voltage, no problem of any other things. But if we give to 6 wire in together in one point up to here, okay, after this one is not working because all load is cast from these 3. So we can divide it, the wire is like that. Okay, so this is the balance of the load. Balance of load. So this kind of wiring we should be need in golf. And extender wiring. If you make the extender wiring, you can should be make the ring circuit wiring for balance of the load. So if we make the balance of load, every point is work same power. No have the power down here. So this is first point, this is last point. You can measure here. Same voltages you can find out. If one side give 6 wire, this means last point have no voltage, no coming in voltage that time. Voltage is coming but low, very low is coming there. So this one is not working. If we can arrange like that, this means balance of the load. So this is the system of power socket wiring. So ring circuit only using for power socket. Power socket plug inside we can using any types of, we can using in computer, we can using in mobile charges, we can using in iron, we can using in motor supply also. So we can using any items in inside this device. So we can make the ring circuit. But lighting, wiring time, only we can give for light. There to not touch another system. So we can using in normal 3 wires only. direct going to up to device or equipment. This is not objection of other equipment or device. So we need to no need to make the ring circuit. Only 3 wire using. Normal wiring using in lighting and water heater and window AC. We can using in that one. Okay. So I hope all of you are clear about the ring circuit. This is the Gulf standard wiring. So many interview asking what is ring circuit, how to make the ring circuit. So many interviews asking these questions. So if they will told to make the diagram, you can make the diagram. It's like that in interview time. If no tell make the diagram, only asking give the answer, that time you can tell ring circuit using in 6 wire, same phase, color code 2 phase, 2 neutral and 2 earth, and DB2 going 6 wire is divided by first point and last point. First point using 3 wire, 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earthing, and last point we can using in 3 wire, 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earthing. Between the first and last we can make the looping system. So each in ring circuit, each point coming in 6 wire. You can give the answer is like that. So this is the correct answer. So I hope all of you are clear. Next one. So now we are completed in wiring. So any questions? If you have any question, you can send me in WhatsApp. I will give the answer for you. Okay. WhatsApp. Any questions? Any doubt you have? You can. I will give to you this one. And our practical class is available. We can doing in practical also. Only this one for theory. So practical class we will doing in practical with your hand and table practical also. Thank you. Wish you all the best.